Alright, welcome. So this is your first view of video notes. So this is from Unit 1. We're starting with the graphing functions that we started today. This is this is page 7 of your notes. And I'm going through just how to do these. So listen and copy these down and get the information. Alright, so today we went over the parent functions of what x squared looks like. And without actually having a graph, we're going to be talking about and working with translation. So vertically, so moving the graph up and down, or horizontally left and right. Alright, so looking for different pieces of information. If the original function is the x squared graph, which we already know is the parabola. Alright, and I filled out the table here for you. It's an abbreviated table from what we have. So how would we graph x squared plus 2? So we have the original function and then we're adding 2 to it. So when we do this, I would get plus 3 here for the -1. If I plugged in 0, I would get 2, and 1 I would get 3 again. So comparing the original function with the translated, we just see that the y value changes by plus 2. Okay, so the y coordinate changes by adding 2, which means the graph shifts vertically up 2. Alright, so the next one, if it the graph is g of x equals, now the important thing to notice here is that you have parentheses, x minus 2 in parentheses with the squared outside. So as opposed to the original one where you had x squared, no parentheses, this one has the parentheses and the 2 outside. So thinking about the table of values, so first we would plug, if we were doing the table value, this should be -1, 0, and 1. So the same numbers we have on the left, we have on the right. If I would plug this in, I would do -1 from that. -1 is -3. Squared is, right? Am I doing that? Okay. Sorry. So that would be what? 9. 0 would be -2, and then squared would be 4. And 1 minus that is -1 squared. Something's off here. Let's see. +1 minus 1 is -1 squared is